Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anna Puresi, Raja Sripatrav Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya, own district Satara in Maharashtra. Today I am going to start the new topic which is ICT related for using the various purposes. There are different type of tools are available on internet. Some are free basis and some are paid basis. But by using these different type of tools and techniques of ICT related, we can integrate our traditional based teaching with this environment, and we can become successful in blended learning platforms. It means the blended learning is nothing but the combination of traditional based teaching and use of application at proper place. Okay, this is this few this attitude is very important uh, in the teaching community, and that's why my aim is to provide the information about the different type of resources for various purposes. Today we are going to learn the next topic, that is a Microsoft team. Microsoft team is the product of Microsoft company which have made available different type of tools and techniques, but Microsoft team is one of the best tool for conducting online teaching or any meeting for conducting via virtually background, and that's why there is need to introduce about this application among you community. Then you will be realize that you will be able to apply in your day-to-day life to this application. When you will apply in practically in your teaching, then surely I have confident that you will get many benefits rather than different type of platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, WebEx, Blue Button, Blue Jeans. Okay, and so many platforms are now available. Actually, Microsoft Team application is not free. Okay, Microsoft Team and Microsoft 365 uh, is both are product of Microsoft company, and Microsoft 365 is very excellent tool for conducting online uh, classes, because there are more facilities are made available by this company. But in the Microsoft basic Microsoft team application also have different type of feature, and you can use this tool for effective teaching, effective presentation. Then students can learn with interestingly by using this application. Okay, what we have to do, we have to we have to download these Microsoft Team apps. But I would like to explain that if your Windows coffee is original operating systems, which is operating Windows operating system, if your is original, then this application is made freely available to everyone. Okay. Otherwise, you have to pay something amount or something subscription fee for this using the platform. Okay. Let us we move towards the application of that Microsoft Teams. I will show that here is the icon of the Microsoft team. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to install it on your desktop. Okay, uh, you can use freely for some days also. Okay, no issue. And on the laptop or on your smartphones, you should have to install it by searching through the Play Store or App Store, and you can get this app and you can install it. Okay, after installation, you how to run it, how to work within that Microsoft team, I would like to specially highlight on that. Just I will click to this platform, and I have created many classes here. One by one I will explain here. Okay, once you have download it, okay, and install it, you have to do some activities within it. You have to create some class. Okay, create and fill some information. Then really this platform will be useful uh, for online teaching. There are lot of advantages you will realize. Okay, this is a part activity. Okay, second is chatting parts. Okay, third teams. Okay, then meeting, then call, file, and here also given some applications freely available for uh, doing your uh, activity, online activity. Okay, in this way, this is the introduction about the uh, Microsoft Team application. After that, I will show you how to create class, how to create team. Okay, within this platform, and then I will explore the various type of options and use for day-to-day teaching. I hope that this is the introductory part of this Microsoft team. In the next video, we'll learn more about it. Thank you very much.